Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And I just realized that my old phone was champagne color or gold, and this is as well. So that was a bit boring. I would prefer to have a white one or the silver one, but here we are. I, by choice, did not want to be one of the first in Sweden to have the new iPhone. Because I've having so much trouble with them all when they were new. So I ordered one from the second batch or something, and I had to wait 2 long months actually. But today is not going to be about the phone, about cases. And I haven't seen another video about Zagg's Gear4 case, so that's why I'm doing this video. And of course, right away we put on a protective shield, and also from Zagg. I've used a bunch of them, and yeah, the main reason why I got these, Zagg had another clear case, and that was more expensive, just slightly, where they had some kind of rubber on the inside. This is just clear. So some kind of rubber on the inside, and maybe some kind of grip on the outside as well. And they had another one that was just as safe as this one, protective, blah blah blah. But the reason why I chose these two are because these were the bacteria killing, whatever it's called. What do they call? Antimicrobial treatment protective case. So as a germaphobe, that's why I chose these two, because these were the only two cases that I found, that screen and case, that were antibacterial or whatever. And if it works or not, I don't know. And I have this UV bath that I put my phone in like 20 times a day anyway. If you want a code, discount code, use this, Loyal25. It gives you 25%, that's quite a lot, until December 31st. So, yeah, this is it, I guess. I don't even need to put the phone in it. So, Zagg Gear4 protective case, and let me just put it on right away, start up the phone, and then tell you what it feels like. But so far it feels good. The installation was really simple thanks to this frame that they give you. But I don't like that it doesn't go all the way to the edges. But I know that some cases go around the phone, which I think this one does. So then I understand that, yeah, it was kind of hard to get in actually. And that's not good, because I change cases all the time. So to say at least a very tight case. And it's still not in. You see it's stuck right there. But still we got some room that, man, we still got some room, so the case could cover more of the front face. Either this case is damaged, or this is maybe supposed to be this, so you can get a grip of it. But it looks weird. You see this small thing there? No, it's sharp, so it's not supposed to be there. This case is damaged, yes. Yeah, now it's not there. Extremely tight, and the last corner it just won't give. It's stuck in the last corner, no matter which corner I choose to take last. So that doesn't feel too good. I guess this is my review of the Zagg case, and the glass protection feels not slippery enough. I don't like that. Not at all. I really don't like that. It should be much smoother, much smoother. I don't like this friction at all. If you play games and things, that's not nice. And the case was too hard to get on, and no matter what I do, the last corner isn't right. So yeah, not happy with this at all. You see, I try, and it just won't get that last part. And the edge here folds, so it's really sharp. And I've tried so many times now with every corner and everything, and tried to fold it out, but still it leaves that last corner. Oh, really don't like this case at all. You see? And then we have that last corner. And there is nothing I can do at all. Not nice at all.